ang maraming kabataan ang katulad mong tahimik na lumalaban sa iba't ibang hamon ng buhay. Kabilang na ang matinding stress, depression, anxiety, at iba pang emosyonal. Nais ko ibahagi sa inyo ang isang pinakamahalagang usapin. Ang mental health ay binibigyang diin ang usaping ito na bigyan ng layunin basagin ng katahimikan. Nais ikayatin ng bawat isa na maging maayos ang pakikipag-usap ukol sa kasulukuyang pangkaisipan. Alagaan ang sarili, ingatan ng bawat isa bilang isang Marileño.
Lakan ng abang Northern Jean Ariel Licao. Lakan ng abang Sur Aris de Carlos Jr.
Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Bilang isang daan, dala ko ang adikay bida Marileño, pag-angat ng lokal na kultura at kabuhayan. Dahil naniniwala po ako na ang tunay na kagandahan ng Marilao ay matatagpuan sa mga kamay na gumagawa ng mga lokal na produkto at sa mga kabataan hanggang magpaunlad ng ating bayan. Nais kong magtaguyod ng mga proyektong makakatulong sa maliit na negosyo, palaganapin ang kasaysayan at kultura ng bawat barangay at turuan ng mga kabataan na maging ambasador ng turismo. Kung sariling atin ang ating ipagmamalaki, tiyak tuulad ang Marilao.
Lakan ng abang Sur Aris de Carlos Jr. Lakan ng Ibayo Rotary Christian Abela.
Bilang isang kabataang nakapagtapos ng kursong Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, ang aking advokasya ay patungkol sa panihibo ko sa kapwa ko Marileño upang ipalaganap ang turismo ng Marilao. Nikayan ko ang bawat isa. Panatilihin natin malinis ang ating kalikasan at gamitin natin ang social media upang ipakilala ang turismo ng Marilao. Bilang lahat ng Marilao, buong puso kong sinusuportahan ang advokasya ng ating minamahal na Mayor Atty. James C. Sa kamayapong turismo, Marilao, siguradong aasenso. Mabuhay ang turismo, mabuhay ang Marilao!
Lakan ng Ibayo Rotary Christian Abela. Lakan ng Lambakin Marlon Anthony Hermenia.
Ay isang susi patungo sa tagumpay. Nagbibigay kaalaman, kasanayan at pag-asa. Ito ay dapat para sa lahat at hindi isang pribilegyo na para lang sa mayayaman. Bilang isang lakan, samahan niyo akong isulong ang edukasyon para sa lahat. Edukasyon na para sa lahat at maging accessible. Dahil ang edukasyon ay isang yaman na maipapamana sa kabataan na hindi mananakaw na kahit at sino man.
Lakan ng Lambakin Marlon Anthony Hermenia. Lakan ng Lumabadega Proper Tracy J. Benson.
Maliit na negosyo, malaking tambak sa
Sa bayan ng Marilao, ang maliit na negosyo ay hindi na basta tindahan. Ito ay pangkabuhayan, pangarap at pag-asa ng bawat pamilya Marileño. Sa bawat ahubedor, sari-sari store at karinderya ay may sipag, tiyaga at determinasyong umangat. Ang advokasiyang ito ay para sa kanila upang suportahan, protektahan at palakasin ang mga negosyante tunay na alibin ng ating lokal na ekonomiya. Dahil sa Marilao, ang maliit na negosyo ay may malaking ambag sa kaunlaran ng bayan. Suportahan natin na sariling atin. Mabuhay Marilao!
Lakan ng Lomad Gata Proper, Tracy J. Gansana. Lakan ng Tagbalon, Prince Jordan Quezon.
I was diagnosed with depression, a silent battle that deeply affected me both mentally and physically. It wasn't easy. I lost a significant amount of weight, not by choice, but as a reflection of the struggle I was facing inside. But today, I stand here, not just a candidate, but as a living proof that healing is possible. I advocate for mental health awareness, to break the stigma and encourage everyone, especially the youth, to seek help when they need it. Let us create a safe spaces where every Marileño feels seen, heard, and supported. Because every mind matters, and no one should go through it alone. Thank you.
Lakan ng Balon, Prince Jordan Quezon. Lakan ng Patubig, Rosie Pugilon.
Good evening, everyone. Mental health matters every day. We stand for a society where no one feels alone in their struggles. Through education, compassion, and early intervention, we aim to build a world where no one feels alone. Where no one feels alone. And everyone needs everybody. And I thank you.
Lakan ng Patubig, Rosie Pugilon. Lakan ng Prince Dos, Vincent Nicolas.
Ngayong gabi, ako hindi lamang isang kalahok, kundi boses ng kabataan. May magandang pangarap para sa ating kinabukasan. Naniniwala po ako na ang kabataan na hindi lamang pag-asa ng ating bayan. Kami ang tagapaghatid ng pagbabago sa kasalukuyan. Bilang isang SK kagawad ng Barangay Plaza Dos, naniniwala po ako na taglay ang sipag, talino at puso ng kabataang Pilipino. Ito ang aking advokasya, kabataang may kakayahan, may boses at may tuwang sa pagbabago ng ating lipunan.
Lakan ng Prince Dos, Vincent Nicolas. Lakan ng Santa Rosa Uno, John Inor Magallanes.
Marilao is known for its sacred places, like the National Shrine of the Divine Mercy. We have a vibrant culture, rich history, and warm hospitality that welcomes all people. But what happens when visitors met with cruelty and discrimination instead of kindness? As a victim of bullying, I know that it can affect anyone, including our tourists. Let's fight against bullying and let us show the true Marileño values of compassion, empathy, and respect. Let us make respect the best souvenir they can get, a reminder of the warmth and hospitality that our town is known for.
Lakan ng Santa Rosa Uno, John Inor Magallanes. Lakan ng Santa Rosa Dos, Joshua Luis Zapata.
Good evening. Tonight, I stand before you to raise awareness about something that affects
millions of lives HIV. HIV does not define a person. With the proper knowledge, proper treatment, people with HIV can live long. But the stigma is the biggest barrier. Many are afraid to speak up or get tested simply because of fear and discrimination. Let's build a community where no one is judged based on their status, but supported with respect, love, and care.
Lahat ng Santa Rosa Girls, Joshua Luis Cerveta. And now, your nakambini ng Abangan Norte, Christian Marie Esprilla.
I believe that beauty shines brightest when it serves a purpose. As a Lakambini and SK Kagawad, I saw the importance of leadership in our society. That leads me to my advocacy, Queenfluence, that ignites women leadership, because when a women stand together, we don't just raise our voices, we shake the system, we break the barriers. I plan to promote awareness, trainings, and seminars to empower more women to lead. That's why I aim to be the liwanag sa dilim, the one that builds our humanity, values individuality, and reanalyze our reality. Arriba, bae! Arriba! Marilena!
Nakambini ng Abangan Norte, Christian Marie Esprilla. Nakambini ng Abangan Sur, Raziel Benitez.
There's something we must never forget. It is our culture, because it is our identity. As proud Marilena, I believe our heirloom tradition deserve to be preserved and celebrated. That's why I stand with them. From the flavorful pancit perla to our globally recognized kakanin, our culinary speaks resilience, creativity, and pride. And as a tourism student, I advocate for using digital platforms to share this treasure, not just recipes, but the soul of our love. Let us take pride in our roots and bring to the world the taste of our culture, upang yaman ng Marilao ay muli nating matikman.
Your nakambini ng Abangan Sur, Raziel Benitez. Your nakambini ng Nambakin, Maria Veronica Paula Muzarin.
As a passionate advocate for homeless children, I firmly believe that every child deserves a chance to thrive. These young souls deserve our love, care, and support. As a Lakambini, I pledge to use my voice to amplify their stories, to raise awareness about their situations, and to inspire others to join the cause. Let us work together to break the cycle of poverty and give these children the chance to shine. Together, we can achieve a brighter future for our most vulnerable citizens of Marilao and the province of Bulacan. Thank you.
Your nakambini ng Nambakin, Maria Veronica Paula Muzarin. Your nakambini ng Rias, Irish May Kanikayan.
As a proud Katurismo and Asri Lakambini ng Marilao, I stand for environmental sustainability. Not just an idea, but our lifelong commitment. Our town is rich in culture, heritage, and traditions, deserve to be preserved for the next generation by embracing the 5R: reduce, recycle, and repurpose. I advocate for responsible tourism and eco-conscious living. Together with my community, Marileño, I raise awareness, lead by example, inspire actions towards the community, and mabuhay ang turismo ng Marileño. redefining beauty. I've been told many times that I'm too short to join the beauty pageant, but I believe I rise in other ways through my determination, my heart, and my purpose. As a Lakambini, I will inspire others to embrace their differences, and by sharing my story, I hope to show that true beauty lies in courage and purpose. I may not be the tallest, but I have a big voice to uplift and a big heart to inspire others, because real beauty isn't about fitting in, it's about standing out just as you are.
Your Lakambini ng Dominicana Proper, Ara Janela Lucio. Your Lakambini ng Dominicana Heritage, King Heaven Nicole Estrella.
I believe that education is a foundation of progress that should never be limited by age, gender, or social status. My advocacy education for all supports lifelong learning for all people. From young children to adults going back to study, everyone deserves a chance to learn and grow. My mission is to break barriers that prevent people from accessing education. As a Lakambini, I proudly stand for equal rights to learning for every age, every gender, and every dream waiting to be realized. And I believe in the words of Nelson Mandela that education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Thank you.
Your Lakambini ng Dominicana Heritage, King Heaven Nicole Estrella. Your Lakambini ng Patubig, Jasmine Ignacio.
As a passionate tourism student, I proudly have the voice to advocate for sustainable tourism in Marilao as a rising tourist destination where natural beauty and rich cultural heritage offers an opportunity and unforgettable tourism experience. I believe Marileños have the power to make up and show up their abilities and for the future. Want the future generations that show up and be that Marileño, Bulaqueña, and I thank you.
Your Lakambini ng Patubig, Jasmine Ignacio. Your Lakambini ng Poblacion 2, Arya Nicole Anemero.
Growing up with my sister who has cerebral palsy, I witnessed the pain of their loved ones and their struggle to fit into our society. Tonight, as I stand here in front of all of you, I want everyone to feel the sense of belonging in this community. Let's see these individuals as a symbol of hope, love, and kindness. Because in the world full of sinners, they are the angels who live among us, that despite all the judgment they face, the only thing they want is to feel love from others. Let's view them as an inspiration that no matter how hard the world is for us, we should be grateful and always look for the beauty and the
Your Lakambini ng Poblacion 2, Arya Nicole Anemero. Your Lakambini ng Pransa 1, Mary Ortega Reyes.
In the Philippines, HIV and teenage pregnancy are rising topics left untouched. I stand for implementation of sex education because I believe ignorance puts lives at risk and education protects them. This is about prevention, safety, and consent. I am here to empower youth and women like me to carry ourselves with dignity, pride, and strength. Through building a community where talking about sex is respectful, safety, and empowering. Thank you.
Ambassadors, Jasmine Arizona.
Wala akong mararating sa buhay. Those words were said to me just because I was born in age. And for the long time, they echoed in my mind. As a beauty queen and a former working student, I know the struggle of juggling jobs just to stay in school. And many young